Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes like McDonald's. Use a thin, pourable batter, heat a non-stick skillet to medium-low, and spoon small rounds for uniform size. Cook until edges look set and bubbles form, then flip once and finish briefly on the second side. Keep pancakes warm on a low oven rack and stack gently to retain steam and softness for that signature tender texture. Mix your batter with plain flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, and a little melted butter for richness. Whisk until mostly smooth, but leave a few small lumps to keep texture light. Let the batter rest briefly while you preheat the pan so the leavening activates and bubbles develop when cooking. Keep the batter thin enough to spread slightly for that soft, fluffy McDonald's-like bite everyone recognizes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tips. Quick recommendation. Leak-proof containers are great for storing pancakes, preventing syrup spills, and making breakfast on the go much easier. I like them for meal prep and leftovers because they stack neatly and seal tightly, keeping pancakes soft and ready to reheat. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick skillet and test temperature with a drop of batter to form a small circle. Pour small rounds and wait for bubbles to appear and edges to set before flipping once for even cooking. Use medium-low heat to avoid dark crusts while allowing centers to cook through. Keep finished pancakes in a low oven or covered briefly to stay warm and soft before serving with butter or syrup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.